Maintaining heart health is crucial for overall well-being, and diet plays a significant role in supporting cardiovascular function. Certain natural drinks are known for their potential to improve heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol, and aiding in the maintenance of clear arteries. Here are some of the best natural drinks that can help keep your heart arteries unclogged and promote overall cardiovascular health. 1. Green tea. Green tea is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, particularly due to its high antioxidant content. Catechins, the antioxidants found in green tea, have anti-inflammatory properties and help improve blood vessel function. Regular consumption of green tea can contribute to reducing the risk of arterial plaque buildup and enhancing overall cardiovascular health. 2. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is a powerhouse of polyphenols, antioxidants that have been shown to reduce arterial plaque and improve cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that drinking pomegranate juice regularly can help lower blood pressure and reduce oxidative stress, both of which are beneficial for heart health. 3. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is another excellent natural drink for heart health, containing antioxidants that help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The anti-inflammatory properties of hibiscus tea can aid in reducing arterial stiffness and improving blood vessel function, making it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. 4. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that support cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of cranberry juice can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. 5. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help reduce cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation, making it beneficial for heart health. Ginger also has blood-thinning properties, which can help prevent the formation of blood clots that could lead to heart attacks or strokes. 6. Turmeric latte. Golden milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Golden milk, made with turmeric, can improve the lining of blood vessels and reduce plaque buildup in the arteries. Regular consumption of turmeric lattes can contribute to better cardiovascular health and reduced risk of heart disease. 7. Garlic water. Garlic has long been known for its heart health benefits. Drinking garlic water can help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. The sulfur compounds in garlic, such as allicin, have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that support cardiovascular health. 8. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, contributing to better arterial health. Mixing a small amount of apple cider vinegar with water and consuming it regularly can support heart health and improve overall cardiovascular function. Incorporating these natural drinks into your daily routine can significantly benefit heart health. While they support cardiovascular health, they should be part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. By making mindful choices and including these heart-healthy drinks, you can proactively maintain clear arteries and a healthy heart.